Hi guys, a quick charity shop short showing you something that caught my eye but I didn't buy. Last time I bought one of these IQ robots, it ended rather badly. Have a look in the video description for the links to the relevant videos.
Do you really want to hurt me? I mean no harm. Do you really want to hurt me? I mean no harm.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.